Hi guys, welcome back. I'm out in the bush again and I got some news for you. So this will probably be my last van life video because I'm selling the van, so it's a bit sad. So I've got a new owner picking it up next week, and the reason for that is I bought a home, so I'm ending the van life videos and stuff now. But that's the sad part. But the good part is I'm gonna buy a home, and it's even better. It's a home on wheels, so it's a tiny home, a small bus. So I'm gonna live in that one full time now instead, and continue with your videos, traveling, show you more in New Zealand, and hope you will join me in this journey. And the thing with traveling, because that's the reason I'm doing this video today, because I can't wait until I get the bus. I'm like a big child. So what I've done, I got a package from Starlink. And if you don't know about Starlink, it's a company that's owned by the Tesla guy, Elon Musk. And he got thousands of satellites flying around in the sky, and from those satellites you can get satellite connected Wi-Fi now instead. And that's a big game changer for me, because I'm gonna be living mobile, and internet is one of the must-have things on my list. So when this new version of the satellite dish came out, I decided to give it a go. And when I get the bus in about 2 weeks, I'm gonna mount it permanently, and so I'm always connected to the Starlink satellites instead. So give me unlimited data, and I can also travel all around New Zealand with this new roaming plan they have. And I'm always connected online, so I got my computers and stuff and can continue posting videos for you. So the channel is going to be all about travel, gear, reviews, testing new stuff, and I really hope you like it. So if there's something you want to see, let me know. You can always comment my post on Instagram or YouTube, so I'm looking forward to meet you there. But the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna unbox this Starlink dish, show you what it's all about, and connect it and make sure it works. So we're parked out here in the bush in Wellington, and see what happens if you get any good reception out here, because those satellites are floating about 550k above the earth, and they say the reception is amazing. So we just have to find south, and I'll do a little unboxing for you guys so you can see what's in the box, and you can decide also if Starlink is something for you. So there's 3 different plans. You got the residential one, you got the roaming plan, which is mobile, so you can travel pretty much anywhere in the same continent that you live. And there's also a plan for marine, like boating, if you own a houseboat or a boat and you need internet. So check in the box what's in it, and then we set it up for you. So what do we have in the box? Got the dish. It's a pretty big one. It's like 2 big iPads with a connection in the back here. A little stand. Put it up. I'm gonna make this permanent, so I'm gonna get like a mount for the roof, so I can set it up there instead. How you connect it? Easy. And we got a power brick. You always do. You need power for it. And if you're looking at the new mini dish, they have the router already built in the antenna. So that's the power brick connected. And then we have the router here. So you plug in the satellite here and the power here, and then you have two connections. Here you can plug in your other stuff you have. And then there's a 50 feet cable, about, what, I guess like 15 meters or something. So we're gonna set it all up, see how it works. So that's the antenna up there. Cable goes down here. That's the router. And also we need power for this. So I'm gonna plug it into my EcoFlow power unit. Turn it on. And then we turn the AC on. And then we have a small light over here. And I'm gonna turn on my Starlink app now and set it up for you guys. Everything's set up now, satellite is aligned, and we are pulling about 55 watts from the EcoFlow. That's pretty good. So that means we can use this without charging or anything. We can use the internet for totally 8 hours without any issues. So if I use the solar panel, I can pretty much use it as long as I want. All I need is more than 50 watts of solar power, and then we're plus minus. So that's pretty awesome. I'm gonna make this video now and edit it so you guys can watch it as well. So hope you like this one, and see you next time when I have the bus, hopefully.